Me cago en la puñeta. Oh, hi guys! Ring Queen Lexa Rose here with a special episode of Wrestling with Beauty. I'm going to be actually filming 2 videos today. I'm going to be doing my makeup look for tonight. I'm filming that at the same time. I'll be also filming a travel blog. And more like a behind the curtains of a wrestling show. It's my return to ECPW in quite a long time. We're going to be at the Ronkonkoma Fire Station tonight. By the time you guys see this, it won't be tonight. But right now, I'm just getting myself ready. It is about a little past 10 o'clock. Show's not until 7. But I'm just going to give you guys like a little beauty little beauty routine that I'm going to be doing today. So we've got up on deck Mario Bandescu Enzyme Cleansing Gel, which I'm going to use to clean my whole face as soon as I'm done with my brows. Biore Pore Strip, because I noticed I have a lot of blackheads on my nose. We are also going to check out and try these Patchology Flash Patch Rejuvenating Eye Gels, which basically go under the eyes. I'm also going to pamper my skin with a Miss Spa Hydrating face mask, which their brand is actually really good. I did a couple of videos. I will put the links down below on my YouTube. If you're watching this on Instagram TV, then head over to my YouTube. I will put the YouTube link in the comments so that you can go and check it out and check out all the other links. And you can check out my videos. And we also have Origins, which is another good brand that I use because I use a charcoal face mask. This is an anti-aging power serum, which I'm going to be using as soon as I'm done with everything else. So for now, we're going to just go in with my brows because I have to clean these bad boys up. So I already trimmed them off camera. What I'm doing now is just plucking the excess. And then what I did was I got rid of some of my baby hairs with this Conair eyebrow trimmer. And it's also good for like getting rid of the baby hairs here and all around the eyebrow area. I also use it to trim my fiance's mustache as well. So this is a pretty versatile product. I suggest you get it. I got it at Ulta for like 10 bucks. It was on sale. I mean, you could probably get it at your local beauty supply store, Sally Beauty Supply, Sephora maybe. I don't think Sephora would have this, but Ulta definitely, Walmart definitely, Target definitely, Sephora maybe. But yeah. Definitely get yourself one of these, especially when, you need a quick, little trim and stuff like that. So, for now, we're going to get you started on the brows. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use my Conair and just clean up the middle. Excuse my fiance, because he likes to talk when I'm doing my videos, and he doesn't know how to shut the fuck up. But, also, you can follow him on YouTube. I will put his link in the description below so you can subscribe to his channel. And if you're watching this on Instagram TV, I will put his YouTube link down below. So, don't forget to check him out, Getting Triggered with Trigger. We're going to have like a fantastic episode with him in his full regalia playing Red Dead Redemption. Okay, so now we're going to go right into our Mario Bandescu. And we're going to just clean our face. Because I don't have a bathroom, this is going to be a bit difficult, but I'm the broke beauty guru. I'll make $1 out of 15 cents. So, we're just going to, ooh, very viscousy. And we're just going to cleanse our face. Okay, so now that I've cleansed my face, I'm going to wipe it all off, so I'm grabbing some water. It says tepid water, so this is obviously room temperature water. And we're just going to spray a rag, clean rag, which this is, even though it's severely stained. And we're just going to wipe this stuff off our face. Okay, next I'm going for the eye gel and the pore strip. And we're going to put that on and we're going to give it a go. Okay, so the directions say leave it on the face, the eye patches, for 5 minutes or longer if desired. So we're going to wait 5 minutes. Now, normally I don't get a chance to do stuff like this, only because, again, I don't have a bathroom per se, so I pretty much have to make do with what I have. So that's why you haven't really seen me do any, like, beauty videos where, like, I'm testing out stuff like this. But this is the eye patch, and I'm also wearing the pore strip, so let's go. Okay, so I think about 5 minutes are up. So trying to test the pore strip. It's still not dry yet, so we're gonna just leave the eye patch on just until the nose strip is dry. Okay, so this is dry enough now, so we're gonna take these off, and we're just gonna kind of pat that into the skin. And then we're going to get rid of this nose strip. It's like a band-aid, just rip it off. I don't know why everybody's like such brats about this stuff, but hey, whatever, it works. Oh, my nose feels so much more smoother, and I got rid of a lot of the blackheads, as you can tell. I don't know if you can see it all up close or anything like that, but next step is we're going to go right into the face mask. Again, I love this brand. Miss Spa has come out with like a lot of really good ones. I tried the gold mask, which made my face really nice and shimmery. I also did the charcoal mask. I'm going to be doing this one. I was going to do the bubble mask, but I want to save that for a whole entire different video. So we're just going to go right into this bad boy and open it up, because this is a full beauty haul for me. I have a show tonight, again, with ECPW. I am finally back in Ronkonkoma, so I wanted to make sure that I look... Wait, what? Yeah, Trigger finally makes his debut at ECPW, so this is like a very momentous occasion. So be sure to check out my YouTube and check out the travel vlog that goes up, because this is, you know, not only just my return to ECPW, but this is also Trigger's debut in ECPW. So basically, you're going to see the reunion of the century, Ring King Kash and the Ring Queen Lexa Rose back together again. And then you're going to see also Trigger in action. So it's going to be a fun night tonight. But let's get this bad boy on. We're just going to plop it right on the face. Okay, so now that we've got this bad boy put on, hold on, because I get so mad that it doesn't stay on my chin and then goes over my upper lip. Okay, there we go. Alright. So now that we've got the mask on, we're going to leave it on according to the directions. And the directions say, turn off the phone and close your eyes for 20 minutes, daydream about being a queen. So we're going to wait 20 minutes. Okay, so now 20 minutes is over, so we're going to take off this mask and pat the rest of the serum into the skin. I realize I really don't need the anti-aging serum, so we're going to try this another time, because right now I've got the serum from the hydrating face mask, and that should be more than sufficient for what I need for today. Eyebrows are on fleexes. Everything is all nice and trimmed. I'm feeling more youthful, more radiant and glowing. Even my eyes look a little bit better. I've been like really stressed out lately with, you know, my living situation, my car and whatnot. If you guys want to help a broke beauty guru out, I'll leave my PayPal down below, and you guys can, you know, donate $1 or $2. Help a broad out, fix some car and stuff like that, and help me provide better content for you guys. But this has been my beauty video, my getting ready to be beautified, I guess. I guess you could call it more of a spa video, because this is basically a spa treatment for me. Home spa treatment, pretty much. So, this has been another episode of Wrestling with Beauty. I am the Broke Beauty Guru, the Ring Queen Lexa Rose, and I will see you on my next tutorial. Arrgh.